Hi, I'm Heidi Iverson at Nielsen Homes. We just listed 2 homes in this community. The one I'm highlighting today is our Hemingway home design. It's almost 2,700 square feet, has a large kitchen and spacious great room, has an unfinished basement with room to grow, and upstairs there's 3 more bedrooms. The master bedroom is large with vaulted ceilings, and master bathroom has separate sinks and separate tub and shower. I'm Heidi Iverson at Nielsen Homes. Please reach out on any of our 7 listings and I would be happy to help you.